your Grasshopper as well. So here is the vector option available. So vector have option for creating construct point. Okay, so drag and drop here, you will find this point here. Okay, not this one, but this is the point. Okay, here is the option x coordinate, y and z. So we need to specify x, y and z coordinates with the slider option. So here is the slider available, so click here and place it here. Okay, so if you need 3 decimal values, so keep it as it is, or you can make right click and see, this is slider options are available here. So R and EO means round floating point numbers, integer numbers, even numbers and odd numbers. So if you need this floating point number, you can change it, and you need to specify a maximum value. So it is currently 1, so bring it to 10, means it will go from 0 to 10. Okay, so right now we are just setting this x coordinate on this option and drag the slider, so you can see the changing in the point value. Okay, now you can also copy and paste this slider for the y value, and you can also assign this slider to this y coordinate, and for the z again control C and control V, copy paste and assign this slider to this z coordinate. Okay, so this point is generated on x, y and z coordinates, means x, y, z 3.6 value. You can now change accordingly as per your requirement. Okay, so this is very handy use. Now to make a copy of this point, you can also bake this if you need point here, but for now we are just going ahead, control C and control V, bring it down. Okay, now change the value. So for the x we will make it 5, around 5. For y we will also make it 5, and for z we will bring it little bit upside. Okay, again control C and V, so we will find the third point and we will make it to 7, and y is a 7, around 8. Okay, you can set values as per your requirement. Okay, and you can see here different points are there. Now again we will make a new copy, so control C and control V, so we will create a new points and change the values for the point as per your requirement. Okay, now we have 4 points here, so this is fine. You can make new points as much as you want. Now we need to apply curve using these points. Okay, so we will use this option, interpolate curve point. Okay, so it is asking for the vertices, so these all our points are called vertices, so you can assign this portion to these vertices. Okay, for adding multiple points to a single point, means single input, you need to keep pressing shift key and add it to the same input vertices. So I'm just adding 4th point, so it will create new interpolate curve. Okay, you can now also change the values of your point, so it will also change its position accordingly. So this is the slider based editing. You can also make, you can also type in value. Suppose if I want to make it 6, so you can double click on slider and you can also edit it. Okay, so this way you can create multiple curves, so you can bake it and again you can make change on this slider and again you can bake it, so you will get multiple points, multiple curves. Okay.